will be a video on a Gravely Skidsteer 200 mini skid steer. Pretty cool little unit. And I have the Honda motor in there, auxiliary hydraulics up here. You can run a few different things. You got controls up top for that. Say a quick connect bucket, little pin on deal. Let's see. Yeah, nothing much to it. Just a cool little size. Here's your little work platform with a little safety switch in there. So jump on here, turn the key. Oh, give her a little throttle. Push this, that unlocks the hydraulics. Jump off here and I'll show you how high it is. Right there. Probably 5 foot. Yeah, about 5 foot to the bottom of that. Pretty cool. Hard to run one-handed videoing, but two hands does its thing